find most rewarding about being a physical therapist?
I mean, I know it's cliche to say, but like obviously helping people. I think as a physical therapist, are drawn to being able to help people move better, be able to return to things that they like to do in their life without pain. I think understanding their bodies better. So my favorite part throughout all of that is the ability to help someone kind of recognize that maybe they didn't have that particular skill set within themselves to really like feel their body and kind of understand all of that. Um, and just seeing someone get back to doing what they want to do normally, and being excited to say, yeah, I went to the gym for the first time and there was no pain, or there was pain, but I understand it better now, so I'm not going to let it stop me. So I kind of liken it similar to a teacher who's seeing her students become very successful. Kind of a lot of the same feeling for me as well, as being able to impart some of that knowledge and help people just feel better in their lives.
You're a facility director at the East Norriton office. Can you tell me about your path to a leadership role?
Never saw myself in a leadership role at all. I have often described myself as more of a boots on the ground person. I like interacting with the patients. I like interacting with the people. It's been an interesting evolution from being able to see the little micro changes between patient to patient to really be able to implement some cultural shifts and being able to really produce an overall environment that I think patients enjoy. I think they have fun. So it's really kind of cool to be able to take that thing that I really liked about physical therapy on a very like one-to-one scale and kind of make it this bigger, broader concept, and being able to see patients thrive in that world.
What advice would you give to others that are considering a career in physical therapy?
Explore other options that are out there within the physical therapy world. So, for example, I think everyone graduates with this idea that we're going to work with athletes and we're going to have this super niche sports specific option, and there are opportunities for that, and I think it's amazing. I never saw myself working within this particular field with the like medical, legal, workman's comp, motor vehicle combination, but it's sometimes those more niche specializations can get overlooked as a student because it's just not the big shiny like athletes. However, I think I've gotten more fulfillment out of this role than I ever did in a more traditional outpatient setting, because you're truly getting to know your patients, you're truly getting to see their struggles, and the drive to become a physical therapist for me was very much helping people. And in this particular role, I truly do feel like I'm having an impact, even if it's just to bring a smile to someone who the rest of their life is not really doing so well, and to really give them that several hours throughout the week to have that escape and to feel listened to and to feel like there's someone that's actually like in their corner. So I think just to be open to opportunities that maybe weren't what you originally thought, but to try to just see where they go. And I think that's been my biggest lesson, is just learning that flexibility and learning that, you know, it is ultimately what you make it at the end of the day. And I can safely say that I'm fighting for the little guy now and really being able to help people. So I think just follow those trails and see where they go, because your career is going to be a long one. You can always try something else later. But to really kind of explore some of those more unique options that you wouldn't have necessarily thought of day of graduation.